So first what you want to do is combine all of your ingredients in a big bowl, and then you just want to get kneading that for about 5 to 10 minutes with your hands, and then it should be ready to go. You can always add a little bit more flour or water if you think it's too dry or wet, and take it from there. Once your dough is ready, you want to wrap it in cling film and put it in the fridge. Whilst it's in the fridge, it's time to get on with the next step, and that's making your filling. So here we have a massive swede. We won't need all of this, and you want to roughly chop the swede along with the potatoes and onions. So once it's all been cooking away for a little while, and you've added your plant-based mince, then it's on to the next step. You want to be adding in some of your gravy powder and your stock cube, along with some pepper as well. We shouldn't have to add any more salt, because we all know that there's plenty of that in the stock cube and gravy. Get a clean work surface. It's time to roll out your dough, ready for these pasties. As you can see, my girlfriend offered to help roll out the dough, and I have to admit she did a way better job than I could have done. You can get a saucepan lid or a bowl or something, and then cut around that, and then you've got perfect circles for your pasties. Then add your filling to them, and then use a bit of water to stick the edges together, and you're good to go.